Google has unveiled the new Pixel 9 Pro, one of the two top-tier models in its new Pixel 9 series. The Pixel 9 Pro offers a refined design and a slightly larger camera module, which now houses 3 cameras. That includes an upgraded 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a new 48-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. Of course, it wouldn't be a Pixel launch without new AI-based camera tricks, and Google says the device can capture better low-light videos, better digitally zoomed shots, and better panoramic mode shots. On the front, the Pixel 9 Pro sports a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED display with a refresh rate that can vary between 1Hz and 120Hz. It has a 1280p resolution and a peak brightness of 3000 nits, which is incredibly bright. Under the hood, there's the new Google Tensor G4 processor, which is built for better AI performance and is coupled with 16GB of RAM. The Pixel 9 Pro is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that Google says will give 24 hours of average usage, or up to 100 hours with the new Extreme Battery Saver mode. The phone offers between 128GB and 1TB of storage, and Google says it'll get 7 years of software updates, so you'll get all the new latest and greatest software features as they roll out. The device is available in 4 colors, and I really like the look of it, including the more pronounced camera module on the back. And I love that the Pixel 9 Pro is available in 2 sizes, so you can get the device in the size that you want without having to sacrifice on features.